Replacing the cabin filter on the 2016 Honda Sonata. Filter is located inside of the glove box. First, you want to open up your glove box, and right over here is the dampener for your glove box. Remove this piece, this arm, by first depressing, squeezing this right here and pulling the arm off, okay? Once you have done that, you go in the glove box itself. On the left and right, you'll find these plastic retainers, screw like quick lock screws. Turn it counterclockwise and do the same on the other side. You don't need to take them off, but if it come out, fine. Let it drop down. If it doesn't come off, once you have unlocked it, just pull this forward like that, and you should be able to get it out of there. Now your filter is located up in the back, way up in here. On the right side is a little tab. Pull that tab towards the left and the door comes right off and your filter will be exposed. Pull your filter out. As you can see, this have collected a lot of pollen and debris. Then you can take your new filter, inspect the box, make sure it's clean up in there. If it's not, get some air and blow it out. Some compressed air. And once you have done that, you can go ahead and insert your new filter and replace the door. Always inspect your parts when you took them off and compare them to the new ones. And make sure you put them in the same way. It will appear that this can go in either way. It probably can, but if you look at this, the lip here is a lot higher than the lip on the other side. So I will make sure, look at all that mess. I will make sure I put it in exactly the same way, the new one, with the taller lip going upwards. Just slide it right in. It's nice and simple. Replace the door. There's a little catch on this end. Slide that in. Can't do that right now. I need a little light so I can see where I'm sliding it. Slide it in right here. And just push it and it locks in. All right, close your door back, your glove box door, and reinsert those two locking tabs. Just by putting them in and turning them clockwise. Again, on inspection, you will see that this piece right here is not symmetrical the way it locks. See that over here? And this over here is wider over here than over here. So make sure you put it in exactly the same way the hole is made the same to match this locking tab. Put it in and turn it clockwise and it should lock. Okay, this is just a press fit. I've pressed it into the hole. Now all I have to do is turn it and it's locked in. The door moves freely. Okay, job is done. Takes about 5-10 minutes. Do not forget to replace your dampener.